Cacao. Cacao or theobromine cacao is a very unique material. Cacao is a member of the Malvaceae. It has got the alkaloid theobromine in it. The material was originally discovered by the conquistadors who found it used in Mexico. They came across this material that was called utcal that was used as a beverage. The beverage was very bitter, which is often what you get on something that is alkaline in nature. It did have a certain kick to it. It was very expensive. At that time, it was basically held for the nobles or the royalty. Later on, it became a more usable product, especially when it was converted into what we call chocolate. Cacao has its origins between Mexico and the Amazon basin. Genetic studies have tried to identify the area with the most diversity and determined that to be in Peru. While originally from the Americas, production is spread worldwide throughout the tropics. Worldwide production is over 4 million tons, with the Ivory Coast producing over half. Ecuador and Brazil account for about 500,000 tons, while Indonesia and Papua New Guinea account for over 200,000 tons. The plant is a woody tropical tree that can reach a little more than 10 meters in height. The plant has relatively large leaves and produces flowers directly on the stem. These are very delicate little tiny flowers. They're no bigger than the eraser on a pencil. You can see this exquisite format. These are pollinated by a small fly. Then these become the fruit. The fruit can be up to 30 centimeters in length. The little stem is holding the fruit on. It has a rind on the outside of it that is quite thick and quite hard. You can see the material on the inside where the seeds are. They have got a mucilage type material around the outside of it. Plants are produced from seeds or from cuttings. Seeds often do not have the genetic uniformity. Harvesting is done by hand. The peduncle holding the fruit on the plant is cut. Do not pull on the fruit. The fruits are then gathered. Processing begins by cutting the pods open and pulling out the seeds with the mucilage. I've seen this done on an inclined metal table. The mucilage would liquefy and drain off. The seeds are then collected. The liquid can be taken and processed into an alcoholic beverage, which is quite tasty. The seeds get dried down, fermented, and processed and become your chocolate. This particular fruit was purchased in a supermarket. You can see where it was cut down the center. The seeds on the inside are then broken off. You can see that there is a placenta going through the center of it. From that, you're going to pull off the seeds. Your seeds look like this after they are separated. Depending on which way you process, you get different types of chocolate, be it semi-sweet, be it milk chocolate, be it a dark chocolate. Quite an interesting plant that produces this exquisite material we call chocolate.